is how you make banana pudding. And then we're gonna need some Milla's cookies.
Vanilla wafer cookies, okay.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Bananas.
Bananas.
And some bananas.
And vanilla eggs. We need a measuring cup. Where's the measuring cup? We need 2 bowls. Okay.
One little bowl and one small. How you make banana pudding?
We need flour. And we need a stirrer. So get the box. On the side of the box, what does the box say?
Milla wafer cookies.
Okay. What you need?
One third cup sugar divided one third cup flour. The sugar into the cup at 3/4. I don't know if we have enough. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, pour the 3/4 cup of sugar in there. Now we need how much? 1/3 cup of flour. That enough?
Yes, I think.
That's 1/3.
Oh,
Pour that in the sugar. Now you need a dash of salt. Put it down a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. Good.
Stir.
Mix it up real good.
Stir.
No, stir it all the way down at the bottom. Hold your bowl while you stir it, okay. Make sure the sugar mix in with the flour. Okay.
That I want to eat on this.
Not dry.
The whole thing.
Braden is making original banana pudding.
Let the water get hot. So you let the water get hot, and while it's getting hot, you need to get it hot enough so it doesn't burn.
You gotta separate the yellow part.
That's the egg yolk.
Yeah. All right. All right. That's okay if you get a little bit. Now pour it over here. You pour it over here. All right. 2 cups of milk. When do you stop?
When it reaches that.
You eating a cookie. That might be the last cookie we need. Now it looks like it's ready because it's thick enough. Pour in a little, give me a little lemon. Just a little lemon. Just a little lemon.
If I do too much, don't be mad.
Just a little. Now.
Like for real, not that sugary.
Yeah. Okay, now we just let this cool.
Get the end yet.
Well, we gotta let it cool. That's right. That's where you make the bottom of the layer, to layer the bottom of it, all right? Okay, spread them out to make sure they're all over because people want to taste the bananas. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's go stir it. So come back in 15 minutes. It'll be cool and ready to pour.
Okay, now.
Just sprinkle it all over your cookies. Yeah. Get the rest. That's the finishing touches to your banana pudding. Good.
We need to make multiple so other people can eat it.
Yes.
To watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe.